Hi y'all. I wanted to give you an update of what's been going on. The same old thing. I've just been vacationing at the home base. I'm out at the lake, so we got some people around and got some noises here and there. So, well, you know how it is. I've been fighting with the healthcare system. Doctors order a procedure. Insurance says no, we won't pay for it. So doctor has to fill out a whole bunch of paperwork, and then the insurance says, okay, we'll pay for it now. So, and that's if you can get, where you're going to go get the procedure, if you can get them to schedule you at that time. So, yeah, it's just been a fight. That's really just about all that's been going on. Like I said, I wanted to give you guys an update, and been a while. So I'm out at the lake, like I said, and I'm going to be here for 2 or 3 days, and then I'm going to go head back. Been watching the weather, and it's still pretty cold up in the mountains, and so I'm going to wait a couple, 3 weeks before I head up that way. I have a stress test scheduled for the 3rd, so I got to be back for that. And then we'll have to wait to see what the doctor says about that. So, but that one was approved right away. The knee is all better. I don't know if you watched one of Alan's last videos. I spent a couple of days in town when we were out here. My old knee swelled up about that big around, so I was just barely able to walk. Couldn't figure out what was going on with that, but they drained it, took out a whole bunch of fluid. My favorite thing to say, not trying to gross you out, but it looked like it had 2 thermos bottles of stuff in there that they had to take out. So they scheduled an MRI, to have it checked, and well, I can't have MRIs because of the pacemaker. So 6 of one, half dozen of the other. It's all stuff, So, what else? I can't think of a whole lot. There's some things that are coming up. I want to do, I bought a couple of items that I want to do a review on, and we'll get to that a little bit later. It's getting kind of warm, so I'm going to head inside, I guess, for a little while. I got here yesterday afternoon late, and I was going to have a campfire, but it was a little bit windy, so I just didn't. I just wanted to, just kind of sit around inside and relax a little, and I haven't been able to do that for a little while, so I felt pretty good. Me, introvert, I just would much rather be, by myself with my own thoughts and not have to worry about what other people are saying and doing, and, well, you know how it goes. So that was great. What else? I think Alan's got some stuff that he's going to get scheduled. He wants to do some traveling this summer. I'm probably going to do some of it with him. Wants to hit southeast Arizona, Tombstone, all down in that area there. And I want to see if I can talk him into going to Old Tucson. It's an old movie theater. John Wayne did some movies there. Glenn Ford did some movies. It's pretty interesting. I guess it burned down. A lot of it burned down a few years ago, but the main part, they saved that. So the saloon, where all the cowboy fights took place. So yeah, I'm gonna see if we can get down there and shoot some video with that. That's just some stuff going on that that I want to get done before I take off for the mountains. So I guess that's it for now. Try to get another one up here in a little while. Probably won't be up till tomorrow. So stay tuned. See you later.